Welcome back to the channel. Today, I will guide you through the process of deleting your Facebook Lite account directly from your phone. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to permanently remove their account. First, open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. Next, tap on the three-line menu located at the top right. Then, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap on it. After that, select Settings to open your account settings options. Next, click on Account Center to manage your personal account details. Afterward, click on Personal Details, and then navigate to Account Ownership and Control. Here, you will see the option to deactivate or delete your account. Tap on it. Next, select your profile name from the list, and then choose Delete Account. Click on Continue to move forward, and then select the reason for deleting your account from the provided list. After selecting your reason, click Continue again. Now click Continue. Now click Continue, and then enter your password to confirm your identity. Now click Continue. Finally, click on Delete Account to permanently remove your Facebook Lite account from your phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share,